building a functional app from PRD using GoCodeo. So this is the PRD for marketplace for buying and selling AI prompts, where users can browse, search, and preview prompt templates across models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and more. So to get started, we give GoCodeo the product requirement document and ask it to go through it to build a web app based on this. Within seconds, GoCodeo creates the project structure and provides installation commands. And now the files are being created inside the prompt mart folder. Now it's generating the files one by one, setting up the core of the application. Here's a recommendation. So I prompt GoCodeo to enhance the app, specifically focusing on the homepage and the prompt detail page. As we can see, GoCodeo is refining the code it had given. It is enhancing the product and making it complex in nature. And here's what we got in 2 prompts. A clean interface where users can choose between models like your GPT, Midjourney, and explore categories like art and marketing. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add authentication to the app. That's the 3rd prompt that we are using. So GoCodeo automatically generates the SQL required for setting up authentication with Supabase. After running the SQL, you can now successfully sign in to the application. We are now initializing the Git repository. The repo has been initialized, and here's the link for the same. Everything's been set up, clean commit history, organized folders, and we're ready to deploy. Now we're deploying the app, and the Vercel link for the same is here. So the app is live. Let's quickly sign in. Select a model or a category that you prefer, and you just have to look at the prompts, which are right here. You can go ahead, copy this prompt, bookmark these prompts for easy access later. And this is one simple project that we built out using 3 or 4 prompts.